So hello everyone, this is the last video of this series. I hope that you enjoyed that. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you a recapitulation of everything and also an extra tip. So the key points, we have covered many topics, but the key points are the regular practice, listen to English content daily, such as podcasts, news, and movies. Contextual understanding, please remember that context is everything. You can infer the meaning of unknown words from the context. Number 3 would be the use of transcripts. Read the transcripts while listening to understand pronunciation and content better. And the next tip is the active listening. So you can train by taking notes and capture main points and details. We already talked about BBC English, one of my favorites, and the TED Talks, another one of my favorites. And to reduce nervousness. Stay calm and focus to avoid losing concentrations. And remember the 4x4 technique. Once again, 4 seconds breathing, 4 seconds breathing, 4 seconds holding the breath, 4 seconds exhaling, and 4 seconds empty. Now, the additional pro tips that I'm going to give you today are the first of them is to have a study group. Okay, practice is much better if you build small study groups with your colleagues because you're going to share common goals, and it would be very, very advisable to set goals before starting the session. Like today, we're going to work on the vocabulary for X topic, or today we are going to improve the matching exercise. So set goals, goals all the time, because that's going to motivate you. And afterwards, when you see that you actually have a good score, I mean, it's going to boost your adrenaline greatly. Another pro tip is, of course, to simulate the exam situations. Regularly simulate exam situations. We have already talked about that 1,000 times. You've got here for 7 years the Haupt exam and the repetition of the exam. Another extra tip would be to self-recorded audio. So to record yourself while you are talking. Record yourself reading text or dialogues and listen to the recordings to improve your pronunciation and intonation. You can also work with vocabulary cards. There are amazing apps out there, and you can create flashcards with new words and phrases that you learn while listening and review them regularly. The next one is the feedback rounds. So use the feedback sessions in your group to identify specific strengths and weaknesses. That is going to help you to work on your weaknesses effectively. Next one, once again, the variety of sources. Use a variety of sources for listening practice. Different speakers and accents are going to help you become more flexible and far better prepared for the exam. And the last one, pro tip here, is to pause and reflect after each exercise. Far better, I insist, if you are doing that with your study group, take the time to reflect on what went well and what can be improved, because this reflection helps you to continually improve. So these additional tips and the summary of key strategies should help you to be even better prepared for your listening comprehension exam. Remember, continuous practice and applying different techniques are the key to success. Now, do you have any questions? Do you have any comments? Is there anything that you have missed in these videos? Drop a comment below. My book is a click away in the description below. And if this series has helped you anyhow, just share the knowledge. And if there are any lingering questions, or if you are seeking for more advice, send me a message, drop a comment, or whatever. I'm here to support you. So thank you for joining me in this journey, and have fun during the preparation. Don't take that too seriously. Have fun with your study group, and I'm pretty sure that you are gonna be perfect in the exam. So keep calm, relax. You got this. Bye.